Hi everyone, this is Rupinder. Today I'm going to show you performance of my homemade air condition in converted electric car. For this purpose, I have coupled my Sandon air condition with the 1 kilowatt BLDC motor. You can run this BLDC motor on 48 volt or 60 volt. This secondary 12 volt battery will provide 12 volt for condenser fan. We have also used a DC to DC converter to back up it. DC to DC converter charges it when it need. Now we will start 60 volt supply for air condition. We will do this job with our Android player application. We will open JKBMS application. Then we will choose our battery backup. To power on it, we have to fill password. Through correct password, we can approach to its settings and enable power on. Through this process, our battery pack will provide 60 volt for our air condition. You will have to increase RPM of air condition as per you increase blower speed. Blower is now on. Air condition is also on. Through accelerator, we can adjust the speed of AC compressor. Air condition MCB on. Now air condition is running. Here you can see consumption of air condition. Air condition is running on 60 volt and it is consuming 18.4 19 volts 19 amperes from battery pack. Air condition is running. Condenser fan is okay, working. Now we will check temperature and its performance. I have inserted temperature meter probe in air condition blower. Temperature is reducing. Going to increase RPM of air condition. I have increased RPM from throttle. Now it is taking 25 ampere from battery. Here you can see temperature 12.6, 12.5, 11.8. Through this screen you can see your live consumption for air condition. Okay, thanks a lot for your valuable time. See you again with a new project.